So today I'm going to be trying to do a YouTube video on how to remove an original VY 6 psi pulley off the supercharger, because I don't see many on the internet that, well, I don't see bugger all on there that are any good. So we've got these bits I've made up here: normal grub screw, machine grub screw, some cap screws, a horseshoe plate and a backing plate, and I'm going to do it using this hydraulic cylinder here. So yeah, let's get into it. So here we have it set up with the hydraulic cylinder in there, and what's going to happen is that hydraulic cylinder is going to push against that nut, push against that plate, which is going to pull that plate. Now I've got some machine marks in here so I can line up directly on the center of that pulley. Now this is only a short stroke cylinder, so every time I'm going to have to adjust that nut because the pulley is going to chase it. Right, now I've got a bungee cord hooked up to that so I don't drop it, just a bit of extra support hooked in there. I'm going to give it a little nudge. I've got it all centralised and we'll see if it goes. Right, as you can see, even though I've got this puller on here, it completely deformed the pulley getting it to that stage. But once it deformed the back of the pulley, that's it, toast, and it went pop, so it's coming off now. So sorry I had to stop the video there because I had to adjust this back off again because it had got to full stroke and the hose nearly blew off. So we'll go again. There it goes, it's coming off. So I'm just going to put the phone down for a second. So yeah, now it's off. As you can see, close up of the deformation it did there. There's not really much avoiding that. So just to recap, 3/4 threaded rod. This here is 3 holes on 120 PCD, same as that one. This gap here is 67 minimum, so don't go any smaller than 67. And here's the deformation of the pulley coming off, and you can see it's flattened it till it's got to this bit here where it's harder. So the horseshoe is pulled on that completely. So that's pretty much the end of the pull it apart video. There's the snout. She's a little bit warm just now, so I pulled it off warm, but not too hot. I left it a while, but it's still warm, so that shaft will be big, and we want to wait till that's cold before we pull the other new bit on, and that will be in another video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps somebody. Cheers.